Hi everyone, it's Miss Rampton here. I hope you're all okay and had a good Christmas break. In this video today, we're going to be talking about our spellings for this week. Don't worry, this isn't a spelling test. You'll be tested on these words on Friday. Today, we're just going to go through them and learn them together. Our spellings for this week are bought, although, dough, cough, plough, and thought. Notice that all these words have O in it. O can be one of the trickiest spellings as it's used to spell a number of different sounds. As you can hear, when I say bought, although, dough, cough, plough, and thought, they all sound different, but the O spelling is exactly the same. If you haven't already, what I want you to do is pause the video here and go and get yourself a piece of paper and a pen or pencil. Come back when you're ready. The first word we're going to look at together is bought. I would like you to say this word aloud 3 times for me. We're going to do my turn, your turn, okay? Bought, bought, bought. Very good. I would like you to write this down 3 times for me as well, please. Again, pause the video, come back when you're ready. What do you think bought means? Bought is the past tense. It's the past participle of the verb to buy. So it's to get something by paying money for it. Now that we know what it means, let's try and put bought into a sentence. Talk to the person next to you or tell me a sentence with the word bought in it. Very good. My sentence is, I bought my niece a toy cat. She loved it. How would we remember how to spell bought? So the first thing we could do to help us remember is by looking at the word and seeing how many letters is in the word. So in this case, bought has 6 letters in it. Another thing you could do is say the word aloud. By doing this, you're listening to the sound and then linking the words together. What you hear is usually how you spell it. Let's do my turn, your turn for this. B-ought. So the O sound you can hear is or. Don't get confused by this though, because in other words, it doesn't always sound the same. So let's move on to the next word so I can explain what I mean. Okay. So the next word is although. The or sound that you heard in brought is now O. So it can get confusing, but remember what I said at the beginning, it's still the same spelling. So let's say although 3 times. Again, my turn, your turn. Although, although, although. Then as well, if you could write it 3 times for me, that would be great. Pause the video if you want to, then come back. Okay, let's talk about what although means. Although means in spite of something. For example, my sentence would be, they are really good friends, although they don't see each other very often. Talk to the person next to you or tell me your sentence for although. Well done. How do you think we could remember how to spell although? I know a lot of you are thinking, if you know how to spell though, just add AL in front of it, which is one way you could remember it. Again, we could look at how many letters are in the word, which in this case, although has 8 letters. Lastly, saying the word aloud, again, listening and then linking the words together. My turn, your turn. Although. Well done. Try to remember as well, it's only 1 L, not 2, because in the word all, there's 2 L's, but in this case, there's only 1 L. So just try and remember that. Okay, the next word we're going to look at is dough. The word has a very similar ending sound to although. The O sound that you can hear is exactly the same. Let's say dough 3 times so we can remember it. Dough, dough, dough. Well done. Again, you already know what I'm going to say. Can you write dough 3 times for me? Pause the video, come back when you're ready. Dough is a firm mixture of flour and water. Talk to the person next to you, or again, tell me a sentence with the word dough in it. Very good. My sentence is, if the dough is sticky, add more flour. Dough is quite an easy word to remember. It has 5 letters and it's D-O. So it's D and then the O sound. Say it with me. D-O. Your turn. Well done. Cough. Now, cough sounds different to the 3 words we've already learned, but it still has the O sound in it. O. Cough. Again, it's the same spelling, just a different sound. Right, let's say it 3 times. My turn, your turn. Cough, cough, cough. Well done. Again, you know exactly what I'm going to say. Can you write cough down 3 times for me? Come back when you're ready. A cough is a reflex action which involves a sudden noisy sound of air from the lungs. My sentence in this case would be, I woke up this morning with a really bad cough. I needed to get a drink of water which helped me stop coughing. Tell me your sentence. I love it. Good job. Cough is similar to dough in the sense of remembering it has 5 letters and it's C and then O. But at the same time, it's off. Off. Can you say it? Off. Your turn. Well done. The next word on our list is plough. Again, the sound is different, but it's exactly the same sentence, so not to worry. Exactly the same spelling, sorry, so not to worry. My turn, your turn. Plough. 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 If you could again write plough 3 times for me as well, come back when you're ready. Okay, so plough is a farm tool for loosening or turning the soil before sowing seeds or planting them. If you can see in the picture, that red thing is exactly what a plough is. My sentence would be, the plough was heavier than any other tools used by the farmer. Can you think of a sentence using plough? Lovely. To remember plough, say the word aloud. And again, what you hear is usually how to spell it. P-l-ow. The ow you hear will always be O-U-G-H. P-l-ow. My turn, your turn. P-l-ow. Your turn? Very good, well done. Moving on to our final word, which is thought. Let's say it 3 times. Thought, thought, thought. And for the final time, can you write this word 3 times for me, please? Okay. Thought is an idea or opinion produced by thinking. Can you tell the person next to you or myself a sentence using the word thought? I'm very impressed. Well done. My sentence would be, the children thought the new game we brought was funny. Thought has 3 sounds in it. It has or, and it has t. Say it aloud for me again, but break it up. My turn, your turn. Or thought. Your turn. Well done. One more time. Thought. Thought. Well done. So saying that aloud could be able to help you remember spelling it. Or what I want you to do before Friday is I want you to write down your spelling words another 3 times. Maybe don't do it today, maybe do it tomorrow afternoon so it's fresh in your head for Friday when you do your spelling test. Thank you guys, I really hope this has helped. I'm looking forward to seeing your scores on the spelling test. Take care, bye.